Something happened in the AI world in the past couple of weeks that's going to change the world forever. I'm talking about change social media, change ads, movies, videos, internet, any piece of content, everything. And I need you to hear me when I say that. I'm not exaggerating and I'm not being dramatic. This is real and it's happening right now. Right now, as you're watching this video, filmmakers are canceling production shoots. Marketing agencies are firing their video production teams. Content creators are shutting down their entire old workflows and starting from complete scratch from what I'm about to show you in this video. And here's what should scare you. They're not waiting. They're not asking for permission. They're just moving. Here's what happened. A company named Higgsfield, a company valued at over $1 billion, the fastest growing generative AI company in the world, just released Cinema Studio 2.5. And Cinema Studio 2.5 does something that no other filmmaking studio can do. It lets you cast AI actors that you design from scratch. Their face, their body, their hair, their outfit, their entire identity. It lets you set the location, pick real cinema-grade lenses, direct every single camera movement, and then color grade it like a professional studio. All inside one workflow. No camera, no actors, no studios, no budget, nothing. And here's the part that really matters to most normal, everyday people. The people who figure out how to use this tool right now, not in 6 months, are going to build businesses around AI video production and make more money than they've ever seen in their entire lives. I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works step by step, and then I'm going to show you powerful ways to start making money with it today. Every new technological shift in history created a new class of wealthy. Smartphones, internet, social media, whatever the case may be. You're early to this technology right now. Take advantage of it while the majority of the world doesn't know that this exists. I think the biggest question is, are you going to act on this, or are you going to let this pass you by like you did Bitcoin and Tesla stock and the internet and social media and everything that could have made you a millionaire? Do not let this pass you by without taking massive action. And real quick, guys, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from it in a simple step-by-step fashion, I break it down every week in my free newsletter, AI Income Weekly. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Let's dive right in. The first major new feature is character and location to keyframe. In the previous version, you'd start by writing a prompt and generating an image. Now you start by designing your character first. They have this system called Soulcast. And Soulcast is basically a character creation engine. So you're not just typing a description, hoping for the best. You're building a fully customizable AI character from scratch. You set the genre, you set the Hollywood budget, the era, the archetype, the identity, the physical appearance, details, everything, outfit, everything. And here's the part that really matters. Your Soulcast characters maintain consistent likeness across every single generation. That means no more plastic AI looking faces that change every time you generate a new shot. Your characters look the same in scene 1, in scene 8, and scene 86,000. And if you know anything about generation with AI, you know that inconsistent characters has been a problem for the past 3 years across the whole AI ecosystem. And Higgsfield just solved it. You can add up to 3 Soulcast characters in a single scene, add them to your specific location, and then you're good to go. The second major feature that I want to show you guys is the post-production color grading suite. This right here is going to blow your mind. Check it out. This is something that has never existed in any AI video tool before. You now have 6 professional controls built right into the platform. Let me show you what I mean. When you generated your picture here, you click on it, you come to color grading, and here are all the options that's available to you. Color correct, soften details, bloom, halation, lens instructions, exposure, and film grain. These are what professional Hollywood level studios use. But if you don't want to mess with any of this, you can always come up here and there are preset filters that you can choose. There's split tone, 16 millimeter, black and white, soft skin, soft nature, old lens, and my favorite, cinematic. This means you're not just generating AI video anymore. You're finishing it, you're grading it, you're making it look like it came off of a real film set. And you're doing it all without ever leaving Higgsfield. Let's build our cast. So here inside of Soulcast, let's choose the genre. I'm going with drama. Budget into the millions. Let's bump it up all the way to 80 and 90. Let's do 100. Era, we're going to do 1920s. Archetype, hero, identity, male, physical appearance. Let's do athletic. Details, let's keep it as is, an outfit. Let's do formal. And then let's click generate. This is what it gave us. This is absolutely perfect. Never in the history of AI, of the world, was this possible. This literally took 2 minutes to design our very own character. Perfect. Now let's design the woman character. Again, we're choosing drama, budget, 100 million, era, 1920s. Archetype, innocent, identity, female, physical appearance, slim, details, let's keep it like that, outfit, let's do high fashion, and then let's click generate. Here is what it gave us. This is perfect. Front, back, headshot. This is going to work so great for the movie. Let's put him in a location and then let's hit play. Here's the location that we came up with. This is a bar in the 1920s France. Mood lights are set, everything noir, absolutely perfect. This looks 100% real. I can't wait until this becomes a movie. Let's get right into it. If we're happy, we can go ahead and click animate. Guys, just by entering a simple prompt in the box here and adjusting some features here, you now have a hyper-realistic video, a movie from the 1920s. Let me show you what I did. So this couple is sitting at a table and they're arguing. This guy wants to go to New York and the woman thinks that he's cheating on her. But this is what I basically did. I chose the genre here, suspense, movement. I left it on auto. Speed, ramp, we can choose all of these, but I kept it on impact. Duration, 12 seconds. Multi-shot auto. If you want to control your shot scene by scene, you could put it on multi-shot manual or single shot. But in this case, I'm going to let the AI do the heavy lifting. Multi-shot auto, sound on, one video, the start frame, and we click generate. And here's what it gave us.
I love you, but I need to go to New York.
New York. You say it like it's a city. It's a door you're closing. I know the real reason why you are going to New York. I saw you with her.
She means nothing to me.
I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving you for JohnnyTube. He's more of a man than you will ever be.
Okay, making videos like this is cool and all, and you can create entire Hollywood level movies. But let's get real for a second. The reason why most of you are here watching this video is to make money, because what good is making movies like this if you can't make money? I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways. Every business in your city needs video content. The dentist, the gym, the restaurant, the real estate agent, the lawyer, the salon, the auto dealer, every single one of them needs video content. And none of them know that this technology exists. None of them have time to learn it, but they will pay you to do it for them. Think about what you can create now with this service. A restaurant launches a new seasonal menu. You produce a cinematic 30-second spot for their Instagram. A real estate agent has a luxury listing and you create a property trailer that looks like it came out of a production studio. A gym wants to run a New Year campaign and you build them a transformation story ad. Or a dentist wants to build trust online. You could charge anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 per commercial. One client a week and you're pulling in $6,000 to $8,000 a month. And the best part is, I think once a business sees what you can do, they don't stop at one video because the trust is already there. They come back month after month, seasonal promos, new product launches, social media ad packages. You become their go-to video person. And remember, guys, the money is never in the technology itself. The money is in being the person who brings the technology to people who would never have found it on their own. Restaurant owners and gym owners, they are in a completely different dimension. The restaurant owner is not going to learn Cinema Studio 2.5. The dentist doesn't have time, but they will pay you to do it for them. That's a business. Contact them through Facebook, send them a DM, send them emails, even walk into their business, their practice, talk to the owner directly. The second way to make money with this, and this is where it gets really exciting, where you can really unleash your creativity and your imagination. Film festivals are already accepting AI-generated content. Streaming platforms are watching this space closely, and the creators who move first are going to get the deals. With Cinema Studio 2.5, you now have everything you need. Consistent characters across every single scene, professional color grading built right in, cinematic footage that actually looks like footage. You have the full pipeline to produce something worth watching. Brands are paying thousands for short form content right now. A 5-minute cinematic piece telling a brand's origin story, that's a $5,000 to $10,000 project right there. Horror shorts, sci-fi shorts, drama. These are blowing up on YouTube and social media. Build an audience and you can monetize through ads or sponsorships or brand deals or licensing deals. You can even go on Fiverr and Upwork and sell your services there. 95% of people on Fiverr and Upwork have crap, garbage videos. If you go on Fiverr and you post demo videos like this, people will come to you. I say this in all of my videos. The people who make the first money, it doesn't matter if it's in Bitcoin or Shiba Inu or crypto or Tesla stock or the internet or technology or Facebook or whatever the case may be. New technology, new ideas. The people who are early to the party always make the most amount of money. Business idea number 3, and this is one of my favorite ones because this is what my course is about. Faceless YouTube channels. Cinema Studio generates cinematic footage. You add a voiceover, you add music, you publish it, and that's it. That's the workflow. It's not hard at all. And because the production time is a fraction of what traditional video editing takes, you can run multiple channels at the same time. A fashion channel, a history channel, a true development channel, a motivational channel. Pick a niche, produce content, and let the algorithm do what it does. You monetize through ads once you hit the YouTube Partner Program, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You stack affiliate links in every description, and once a channel gets traction, sponsors come to you. One channel is doing well as a side income, 2 or 3 channels running simultaneously, that's a full-time business. The people who started faceless channels 2 years ago with basic AI tools are already making thousands a month. The quality of what you can produce now with Cinema Studio 2.5 is on a completely different level. Better footage means better retention. Better retention means more revenue. Don't think about it too hard. Start one of these businesses today. Click on the link in the description. Join Higgsfield. Check out Cinema Studio 2.5. It is a game changer. This technology is the best in the world. Full stop. Nobody can touch Higgsfield. I've never met a company yet that can come close to the cinema quality videos that Higgsfield can produce. Check out the link in the description below. Join now. You'll have so much fun and you can start a full-time business from it as well. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free weekly newsletter designed to show normal, non-technical people how to make money with AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now completely for free. Alrighty, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.